Gemini AI actually see everything on your phone screen. Whether you use Android phone or iPhone, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to review and control what are the things you want Gemini AI to see on your phone screen without any strain. So the very first thing we want to do right here is to simply go ahead and we make sure we open up our Gemini app right here. And having opened up Gemini right here, next thing you want to do is to simply click on this slider from the top. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and simply proceed to this setting icon right here. And then scroll down right here until you get to settings. And here you go. So at this point here, you want to make sure you look for screen context. Click on screen context right here. Then here you go. These are all access that Gemini have been getting into your phone. So if you click on digital assistant right here, you see it is Google right here. So which simply means that every button enabled right here, Google is actually having access to it. Use text from screen, it's enabled. Use screenshots, enabled. Screen flash, screen edge of screen when assistant app access text from screen or screenshot is also enabled. Then here, if you want to disable some of the access from Gemini right here, just simply turn it off right here. You can review and turn off as many as possible right here in order to deny or allow Gemini from having access to your phone screen, whether Android phone or iPhone. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Gemini settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.